Hey guys, so one thing I'm always asked about PLR is how do I actually make money from it? So in this video I want to go through 10 ways for you to make money from PLR. So if you're a beginner, this is going to be a great video for you. It's going to give you some ideas that you can go ahead and implement straight away. So just before we start, my name is Richard Darby, this is the School of Nomads. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. We release new videos every single week. And any questions, please leave them in the comments below. So idea number one, you can create coaching courses. So you can use that PLR in whatever format you have to actually make it into a full coaching course for people and then deliver it over a number of modules. So if you have something that's an ebook, you could transform it into a video course, you could transform it into PowerPoint slides, and then you can use them to go ahead and use that as a full coaching course. So it's always very useful then to have that kind of information in the background that you've just transformed rather than try and create it yourself. So number two, you can add content to a membership site. So if you've already got a membership site, you can add fresh content every single month by using PLR. If you haven't got a membership site, it could be a great way for you to start. Buy some PLR, transform it into videos, transform it into PDFs, guides, cheat sheets, all of that kind of information you can use in your membership site, and it'll keep it really fresh. And I'm sure the members will love it because you've always got new content going in. Number three, you can package it into a larger product. So if I was in the make money online niche, I could use an email marketing, social media marketing, lots of different types of subjects, and I could package them into one overall make money online product, which I could then either give away to my subscribers or I could actually sell as one product. So it's a great way to kind of get all of that content, and rather than it just being the original ebook, you've actually packaged it with more information and you've made it more valuable to people. Number four, and it's something that I do all the time, is if you have an ebook that is multiple chapters, you can then break that up and use it on your blogs as new posts that you can then add on a weekly and a monthly basis, and it will keep that content fresh. The only thing I will say is you've got to make sure that that content is pretty unique. So make sure you're changing it before you actually put it into your blog. Don't use the original content, but it gives you a good skeleton to start with and be able to add more information. You can also add it to an email autoresponder. So you could use all of that information and then set up a yearly email responder that once you have a subscriber, they're constantly being fed new information, new valuable information. And all you're doing really is taking that original ebook and you're dividing it up, and then you're providing that to your subscribers. So it's a great way to get that content and get that information flow started. Number five, you can use it in social media posts. So similar to number four, you're dividing up the content, you're obviously editing that content, you might be able to transform it into video, and you can use that on social media posts. So there are some nice applications out there where you can get text type information and transform it into videos. I use something called Content Samurai, but then you can use that on your social media posts, and it makes it really nice and really valuable and really good quality. So number five, you could use that content on social media. So number six, you can make an individual video series out of it. So whenever you have any kind of PLR, you really want to be transforming it and making it into something nice and fresh. And if you make it into a video series, which obviously is a huge thing these days, making videos and putting them on social media, putting them on YouTube, then that PLR gives you a nice basis of content that you can go ahead and use, and it'll make it a lot more valuable, and the content will be a lot better for people to kind of consume. And you can either sell this or you can just use this as part of your overall marketing. Number seven, this is something many affiliates do. You can use it as a bonus. So many affiliates use a PLR as a bonus. The only thing I would say is if you do get PLR and use it as a bonus, try and make it a lot different. Try and make it into video, try and transform it, try and make it nice and fresh. A lot of affiliates use the same old PLR, and you can tell when you're looking at their bonus pages. So if you're going to do this, get that PLR and make sure you make it into something different. Number eight, you can translate your PLR into different languages. So if obviously you know more than one language, you can do it yourself, you can pay others to do it, but it makes that very valuable if you can translate something from English to say German or Spanish, and you can sell it into those markets. Then that's a very valuable thing to be able to do. So if you understand different languages, just go ahead and translate it, and it makes that very unique. Number 9, you can use it to start a YouTube channel. So this is something I've done when I've been promoting a product that happens to be in the baby niche. I've started a YouTube channel just by using PLR. So I've got multiple PLR books that are based around the baby niche and have certain tips and tricks and advice on how to raise babies. And then I've transformed that into video, and now that's all on YouTube, and people can go ahead and consume that information. It's giving people value, and then it's driving them towards certain offers. So it's a great way to kind of get an old ebook and then make it into a YouTube channel. It's a great source of content for that. And number 10, you can use it on sites like Quora. So Quora is a site where you actually go ahead and you answer people's questions and you provide value to them. But when you answer that question, you can also put links into the answer. Now you can either answer that question with a link back to some article you've written based on that PLR, or you can answer it directly with that PLR and then link them back to some offer that you've got. But it is a very, very good site. It's hugely popular, and you get a lot of traffic to some of these questions. So Quora, I've spoken about this in previous videos on my channel. It's a really good way to drive traffic to whatever offers you are or whatever you're trying to market. So PLR is a very good way that you can go ahead and find the answers to their questions and provide them some value. So I hope you find that video useful. Just 10 suggestions of great ways that you can transform PLR and actually start making money from it. Any questions, please go ahead and leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to know how I make money online, please go ahead and check out the link in the description. For now, take care.